My Honeywell thermostat has a blank screen. I replaced the batteries, the blower works, but no heat.
Do you know the model of your Honeywell thermostat? How old is it?
50,018,270-001.
How long has this been going on with your Honeywell thermostat? What have you tried so far?
We just noticed it. It has been working all day. I replaced the batteries, which were somewhat corroded. The blower responds to the on-off switch, but nothing lights up on the screen. The thermostat is at least 10 years old.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, I am in Montana and it is very cold out. I can probably get to a store and buy a new one tomorrow if that is an easy solution.
Hi, my name is Mike. I have accepted your question and will be happy to help you. Please note my hours are 6:30 p.m. to 5 a.m. MST, Mountain Standard Time. If you reach me within that time frame, I should be able to immediately respond. Outside of that time frame, my response will likely be much longer. Please reply to this message so we can get started. Thanks so much, Mike. Smile. This is a general answer. In the meantime, the first step to fixing most issues like this is to do a hard restart on your system. Power the unit off at the breaker for 15 minutes, then power it back on. Let me know how that goes and then get back to me here if you need any further assistance.
Hello, Mike. After replacing the batteries and reconnecting the unit to the base several times, my screen started to work. I reprogrammed the unit and it has worked perfectly all night and this morning. There was some corrosion around the battery tabs that I cleaned. Perhaps that was what allowed things to start working again. Thanks for getting to me last night.
No problem. Let me know if you have any other issues. This will be open for a while.
Okay. Thanks very much.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.